Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I turn. No comparison.
So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing another headband wig from Papayahair. But before we get into that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post. If you want to know my feelings about this hair and see me style it, keep on watching. Alright, so let's just get right into it. I actually already wore this hair, so it's not in the package that it came in initially, but initially it did come in like a pink envelope, and then within the pink envelope there were two bags. So one is this plastic bag that the hair was in. So that bag came with that and the hair. I'll show you the hair in a little bit. This is the second bag right here. I actually wish the hair came in a bag like this instead of just the plastic bag, because I think this looks more pleasing. This is more aesthetically pleasing than me just getting the hair in a plastic bag. But this bag right here just says Papayahair, define your beauty. And in this bag I have headbands. They just sent a bunch of headbands. I think they sent 6. So they sent 4 soft headbands and then 2 hard headbands. So this one is like this metallic gold, which I think is really pretty, and then this one is like that diamond headband in a blue color, which I also think is very pretty. So I'm probably going to, you know, throw this one on after I do my hair. So this is the hair right here. I told you guys I already wore it, so that's why it's not in the netting, and then the paper that was in here is not in here because I already wore it. But she is so soft, man. She doesn't really smell like anything. Not that she's supposed to smell like anything, but usually when I get hair it smells like fresh weave. But she doesn't smell like anything at all. But she is super soft. I actually forgot what inches she is. Give me a second. So she is 20 inches. She is long. I don't know the origin of the hair. Like if it's Brazilian or anything else, but I do believe she's just a Brazilian straight. I think she is a Brazilian straight human hair, not 100% sure, so I'm just gonna say it is 20 inches straight human hair. I'm just gonna take off my scarf right now. I'm tying down my baby hairs and I'm gonna put this wig on. I'm gonna show you guys what I do. I'm gonna do what I do. Baby hairs is down in Lizade, so let's just do this. Okay, and this is the hair. This is the hair like unmanipulated. I didn't straighten it. I haven't curled it. I haven't done anything at all. But she is so soft. Okay, she is so soft, and she looks so pretty, and she has so much movement and like. Oh yes, I love it. Let me go put on some of the headbands. Just gonna scrunch up the black part a little more so it's not like showing past the headband, even though I'm not sure if it will. So I'm gonna put this on. Ooh, this is cute. Honestly, this might be the look right here. I don't even think I need to try on any more headbands. This is it. This is the look right here. I like this. I feel like it's a little off center. Like I feel like the little knot right here, this knot is a little off center. Can I move it? No, not really. It's a little off center, but like who cares? This is so I feel really pretty. I just feel really pretty. I am also going to try this blue diamond headband because I've always wanted one of these diamond headbands. So She's so pretty. Ooh, the diamonds dancing. They're not real diamonds, but like they dance. Look at that. I'm so annoying. Okay, hold on, guys. Let me switch to my crown. Let me switch my crown. This gives me like if you guys ever watch Gossip Girl, you know Blair's the queen of headbands. This gives me like Blair stepping out, okay? Like, yes, headband queen. I do this for Blair Waldorf. I'm just gonna sit here and let you admire this. I know I gotta like style the hair for you guys and stuff, but I just want you guys to see the headbands. I think this is gorgeous. Okay. I'm gonna pick out another headband, and then I'm actually gonna start, you know, styling the hair and doing some cute stuff to it, just so you can see. But I really don't want to take this headband off. It's so cute. I'm gonna do this like pink velvet one because it kind of matches with the shirt I'm wearing right now. So I think I'm gonna do that one. So this is one of those like full headbands. These were like the ones that are open in the back. Just letting you know. Honestly, these headbands, all of these headbands I just tried on, winners. They are absolute winners. I love this headband. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, let's do a little half up, half down situation. You know that's one of my favorites, the Ariana Grande half up, half down. See me play around with this hair. I've worn this hair out. This hair is soft. This hair is super manageable. This is very low maintenance hair. So straight hair is very low maintenance. All you really have to do is brush it and go. I haven't even straightened this hair. If it does get a little kink or wave into it, I probably will straighten it. It's human hair, so you can curl it. I just decided not to curl it because I've just been really liking rocking it straight. I haven't had like a silky straight wig in a while, so right now I'm just enjoying it because silky straight is like something that's bringing me back to those days when I was like 16-17 years old, getting a sew-in, and you know, I got my fresh silky bundles in, and I was just like, oh, it's super manageable, super low maintenance, super easy going. This is basically a throw on and go type of wig. I would throw this on with a headband. I would throw this on with a hat. I would throw this on just to like go out to get groceries. It is fast, okay? It is 1, 2, 3 fast. This is the type of wig that makes it look like I have a fresh wig in, or a fresh install, a fresh weave, and I know I don't. All I gotta do is, you know, finesse a little hat. If you don't want to do your baby hairs, just put a hat on and everybody would think your hair is done. But all in all, I enjoyed this hair. I really like it. Hair is definitely going to be used, and that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up, and I will make sure I will leave all the hair's information down in the description box, so please make sure you check that out. Leave down in the comments what is your favorite hair accessory. If you didn't get to at the beginning of the video, Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet.